Let's dive into this incredibly accurate money-making strategy that uses just 2 free indicators on TradingView. It doesn't matter if you're trading Forex, stocks, crypto, or any other market, or even what time frame you prefer. This strategy works wonders across the board. Plus, I'll be sharing the results of 2 different approaches just before the end of the video, along with a way to fully automate this strategy into a bot for free, so it does the job for you while you're away. Our first free indicator is called the Aroon oscillator, which provides both trend following and mean reversion signals. To add it to your chart, head over to the indicator section and search for Aroon oscillator. Once you find it, click to add it to your chart. Before we put it to work, let's tweak a few settings to optimize its performance. Open the settings and navigate to the Inputs tab. Change the Aroon length to 21 to capture trends more effectively. Adjust the smooth parameter 24 to filter out market noise. Set the signal line to 14 for more precise entry signals. For better readability, customize the color screen for up and red for down work well. Then go to the Style tab and disable everything except the Aroon oscillator, the zero line, and the signal line to keep your chart clean and focused. Now that the Aroon oscillator is set up, we have a powerful tool to help spot profitable trading opportunities. Before we move on, make sure to subscribe to our channel for free access to hundreds of unique trading strategies, plus a free trading course from A to Z, tailored for all types of traders. Next, let's add our second indicator, the Impulse MACD. Head to the Indicators section again, search for Impulse MACD, and select the version by Lazy Bear. Once it's added, adjust its settings in the Inputs tab, change the May length to 100 for better long-term trend analysis. Keep the signal length as is. It works well with the strategy. Enable the bar color option for an easy-to-read visual representation. In the Style tab, adjust the midline for better visibility by changing its color, opacity, and thickness. Set the Impulse MACD option to Area to create a filled section between the indicator's lines. Customize the colors green for bullish momentum, red for bearish momentum, white for neutral conditions. Disable all other options except for the bar colors to maintain a clean chart. With both indicators ready, let's jump into the trading rules. Our first signal comes from the Aroon oscillator. Look for a bullish crossing below the midline. When you spot this, draw a vertical line on the chart at the crossing point. Then confirm the signal with the Impulse MACD. If the Impulse MACD area is green and above the zero level, it confirms bullish momentum. Find the corresponding candle, the signal candle, and open your buy trade. Set your stop loss just below the most recent swing low and aim for a 1.5 to 1 risk-reward ratio. Welcome aboard our crypto arc where dreams meet freedom. Join us on this journey as we empower crypto believers with knowledge and tools to achieve their goals. And guess what? We're just getting started in this world of endless possibilities. Click the link below to join us now. Enjoy 0 fees on spot trading for the first 30 days and a chance to win up to 30,000 USDT in deposit rewards. Established in 2018, Bybit is one of the fastest growing cryptocurrency exchanges committed to providing a professional, smart, and innovative trading experience. Join Bybit today and ride the wave of crypto success. For a sell trade, wait for a bearish crossing above the midline on the Aroon oscillator. Confirm with the Impulse MACD. If the Impulse MACD area is red and below the zero level, it confirms bearish momentum. Locate the signal candle and open your sell trade. Set your stop loss just above the most recent swing high with a 1.5 to 1 risk-reward ratio. Now let's try examples with a 2-to-1 risk-reward ratio. Let's start with a buy trade. Spot a bullish crossing below the midline on the Aroon oscillator confirmed by a green impulse MACD area above the zero line. Open your buy trade and set your stop loss below the most recent swing low. For take profit, aim for twice the distance between your entry and the stop loss. Now let's flip the coin for a sell trade example. Look for a bearish crossing above the midline on the Aroon oscillator confirmed by a red impulse MACD area below the zero level. Open your sell trade and place your stop loss above the most recent swing high. Set your take profit target at twice the distance from your entry to the stop loss. To increase the reliability of your trades, avoid entering a sell trade when a bearish crossing happens below the midline, a buy trade when a bullish crossing occurs above the midline. These signals typically indicate weaker trends and lower profit potential. Additionally, be cautious when the impulse MACD area turns white, as it suggests low market momentum. During these times, it's best to sit out and wait for clearer signals.
Unlock your trading potential with FundedX. If you're ready to elevate your trading game to new heights, look no further than FundedX, the ultimate platform for promising traders worldwide. What sets FundedX apart? Let me break it down for you. Say goodbye to trading under pressure. With FundedX, you trade at your own pace with no deadlines hanging over your head. Enjoy the best trading conditions in the game. With FundedX, you get raw spreads and the lowest commissions, ensuring every trade works in your favor. Don't miss out on this opportunity by clicking the link above or down in the description to be part of a dynamic community shaping the future of trading.
To validate this strategy, we conducted back testing on 200 trades using the Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, gold, and euro against US dollar pairs on 3 to 15-minute charts over 9 weeks. The results are outstanding, as I'm the man of my word. Make sure to watch the recommended videos to learn how to turn any trading strategy, including this one, into a bot with alerts and more. Please feel free to drop your questions and ideas down below. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch up with you all in the next one.